The story of Noah's Ark is scientifically implausible, logistically impossible, and morally questionable, and therefore not credible as a literal historical event. 1. Scientific implausibility (EA). Global flood geology doesn't add up. There's no global geological evidence of a worldwide flood 4,000 years ago. Sediment layers, ice cores, and tree rings show uninterrupted continuity through the supposed time of the flood. A flood covering Mount Everest, as Genesis implies, would require 8 times more water than exists on Earth. Where did it come from? Where did it go? B. Animal diversity and distribution. There are millions of species today, yet the Ark supposedly carried only a few thousand kinds. How did kangaroos get to and from Australia without leaving any trace? Why are species native to isolated regions if they all came from a single point? 2. Logistical impossibility (A). Ark size versus animal care. The Ark, as described, Genesis 6:15, was about the size of a modern cargo ship, far too small to house millions of animals. Feeding, cleaning, and caring for even 1,000 animals would require a large staff and vast resources, not just 8 people. B. Diet and environment. Many animals have specialized diets, e.g., koalas eat eucalyptus, pandas eat bamboo. Where did Noah get these foods? Amphibians require moist environments, while polar animals need cold, yet all supposedly lived in the same wooden box for a year. 3. Moral and theological problems (A). Mass genocide. The story involves the deliberate drowning of nearly all humans and animals, including children and infants, by a supposedly loving and just God. Why punish animals and unborn generations for human wickedness? B. Omnipotence and poor planning. If God is all-powerful and all-knowing, why create humans only to destroy them all? Couldn't an omniscient being come up with a less brutal reset button? 4. Mythological parallels. The flood narrative closely mirrors older Mesopotamian myths like the Epic of Gilgamesh, suggesting the biblical version is likely derivative. This challenges the idea of the story being a unique, divinely inspired account. Conclusion: the Noah's Ark story is a myth. It fails scientific scrutiny, collapses under logistical reality, raises ethical contradictions, and resembles older human folklore more than divine truth.